In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zapier to Squarespace. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, what is Zapier? If you're not familiar, Zapier is an automation tool that connects different apps and services to help streamline your workflow. Today, we're going to focus specifically on how to connect your Squarespace account with Zapier, which will allow you to automate tasks and improve your productivity. Let's dive straight in. The very first step is to head over to the Zapier homepage. You can do this by visiting zapier.com. Once you're there, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can easily create one for free. After logging in, look for the section titled App Connections. This can usually be found in your dashboard. It's where you can manage all the applications you've connected to Zapier. Once you see it, go ahead and click on that option. Now onto our next important step, creating a connection. You'll want to find a button that says Create Connection or something similar. Once you click on that, a window will pop up allowing you to search for the app you want to connect. In our case, type Squarespace into the search bar. Now that you have Squarespace in your sites, go ahead and select Squarespace Forms from the list that appears. This will allow you to connect the specific features of Squarespace that you want to automate. Next, you'll see a button that says Add Connection. Click on that, and now it's time to actually link your Squarespace account. A prompt will appear asking you to sign in to your Squarespace account. It's a straightforward login process, so just enter your credentials. And don't worry, your information is secure. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken back to Zapier, where you'll see that your Squarespace account is now connected. This means you can now start setting up automated workflows or zaps that will save you time and effort in managing your Squarespace site. To recap, we went through a series of steps to connect Zapier to Squarespace.